Y'all listen, Nidra loves this hair.
Look at this wig. This so weird.
She loves the...
I'm in love. This is the best one. This is the best one yet. This is the best one thus far.
Hello, all my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video. Today we are doing XrsBeautyHair. It's spelled XRS Beauty, but it is XrsBeautyHair. I always love their packaging because it's so nice. They sent us a couple of free gifts if I don't have to go around the world to get into it. So they sent us an adjustable strap to make our unit glueless if we like. They gave us a comb, wig cap, something to lay baby hairs, which y'all know I don't have no forehead, so I don't want no baby hairs in my eyebrows, and some foam rollers. So listen, stay tuned because they're having a huge sale, and I'm going to tell you all the details about the sale. But first, I want to give you this comparison and show you how their lace stacks up with other lace. So stay tuned, girl. Hello. Okay, y'all, so here's the comparison with the different laces. In the middle, you have the XrsBeauty, and as you can see, then you have the transparent lace comparison on the new lace. So here's our different. Now, this is without using any Gots to Be. So give me just a second. I'm going to go ahead and get the Gots to Be glued, and we're going to show the differences. Come through, XrsBeauty. Okay, I'll be right back.
Let me
What? Spray it first. You don't want to be on the niche, huh?
Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Why you don't want to be on the camera? You so pretty.
This is the brown.
So brown lace. And in the middle is the XrsBeauty. So you can see the difference. You cannot even any longer see XrsBeauty lace. Come through, XrsBeauty. Y'all, XrsBeauty is my favorite. Now get into this unit when we get this unit laid. I love XrsBeauty. My favorite. Y'all listen, Nidra loves this hair.
Look at this wig. This so weird.
She loves the...
I'm in love. This is the best one. This is the best one yet. This is the best one thus far.
She loves... Now, listen, y'all. So, they say, for me to tell you, they're having a Black Friday sale, 20% off, and you're going to save around $70 for one wig. And it's going to expire November the 26th at midnight. And you get a free order, and you're getting gifts if you use the Lucky Wheel on their website.
This the one, y'all. This the one.
She look at it. Look at that hairline.
Look at this hairline. Look how the look at when I just pull and it just literally disappears. You can't even see it. I haven't even...
What lace? What lace, girl?
Yes. This is the one here.
Second to none.
Yes.
And listen, if it wasn't cute, Nidra would tell me, just like she told me I had a big head.
Yes, I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm going to tell you if you need 2 packs.
She loves this one. And I want to put crimps in it. And she said she don't want to do nothing to it.
I don't want to put crimps in it. The hair is so nice. I don't even want to put no product on it as far as like to make it hard. It's just so bouncy, so full. It's 200% density. This hair is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And I just don't, I think it would be slap in the face to put some, pump it up and some spritz on some hair like this here. It's gorgeous.
She love it.
I love it.
We're going to install it and we'll show y'all what we got going on. I'm a fight for my rights. I'm a fight for my rights. But we love XrsBeauty. Shout out to XrsBeautyHair.
Yes, XrsBeauty is the one.
XrsBeauty. Okay, bye, y'all.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
Okay, beautiful queens, this is our final look. We did a crimp look. I'm trying to do something different, but the thing that stays the same is this hairline. You cannot beat this hairline, okay? You cannot beat this hairline. It's absolutely invisible. It melts into the skin. I love this look. Nidra took her time. She's been here all day, literally fooling around with me. So thank you, Nidra, for always making me feel beautiful. You know, as plus size queens, we want to feel beautiful too. And that's what, listen, let me tell you something. Get you a stylist that thinks you're beautiful. If you find you a stylist that thinks you're beautiful, your hair will be laid every time. If your stylist thinks that you ain't, okay, never mind. Then your hair gonna look like that. If they don't like you, you ain't gonna like your hair. But anyway, listen, you guys, Chris Beauty Hair. Okay, this hair was absolutely gorgeous. I got it a little bit longer. I'll make sure all the details are down below in the description box. But I wanted to tell you, it's a Black Friday. Cheapest sale of the year for Black Friday. 20% off discount. You're going to save around $70 per unit. But you have to do this. It's going to expire November the 26th, okay? At 23:59. That's military time, but y'all know what time it is. it is going to expire. You guys go and get you Chris Beauty Hair. Thank you, Chris Beauty Hair. They come through each and every time. This time we crimped a body wave to kind of give it that nice and wet and wavy look. You guys, once you separate this, I mean, this is going to last forever. And it's absolutely gorgeous. You can't beat it. Listen, there might be a little bit of makeup up here, but it's not. That's not Chris Beauty's fault. That's my fault. But anyway, Chris Beauty Hair. Make sure y'all go check out Chris Beauty Hair. You will not be disappointed. I absolutely love the unit. Thank you so much, Renidra, for hooking it up. Thank you, Chris Beauty. Y'all get on over there to their website. Spin the prize wheel. Make sure y'all get it done in time.
Chris Beauty. It's the bomb.
It's the bomb. See, even she said. And she got to go. She been here with me all day. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Thank you, Chris Beauty. And remember, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck and gorgeous. What are you thinking? Let me know. Peace.